Hi everyone, this is Mr. M from Algebra Lesson. Today in this video I am explaining how to find the nth term of an arithmetic sequence. Nth term means some explicit positions. So we can call this as the explicit formula to find the nth term of an arithmetic sequence. Suppose if we have an arithmetic sequence with terms, first term a1, second term a2, third term a3, and so on, and with a common difference of d. D is the common difference. So the explicit formula to find the explicit position or the explicit term of this sequence, we have the formula an means the nth term is equal to a1 plus n minus 1 into d. Here a1 represents the first term, n represents the position, and d represents the common difference. Say for example, if we need to find the 10th term of an arithmetic sequence. Arithmetic sequence is 5, 10, 15, and so on. So if we need to find the 10th term, so the 10th term can write as a10, means 10 represents the position. So 10th term of the sequence. So how can we find it? So that's what we are actually going to discuss with this video. So first, if in these kind of problems, first you need to check what is the first term of the sequence. We know that the explicit formula for this case, an is equal to a1 plus n minus 1 into d. So 10th term, so just replace the n with the given position, means here it is 10. We are actually kind of finding out the 10th position, what number will comes in the 10th position of the sequence. So just replace this n with the given number or the position. So here it is 10, so a10 is equal to a1 plus n is 10, so 10 minus 1 into d. D is the common difference. Here it is 10 minus 5. Always for an arithmetic sequence, the common difference can be calculated by a2 minus a1. Okay, so or a3 minus or a3 minus a2, like that. So here common difference is 10 minus 5, that is 5. So the a1 is a1 can be the first term, so 5. So that is 5 plus 10 minus 1 is 9 times 5. That is 5 plus 9 times 5 is 45. So answer is 50. So the 10th term of the sequence is 50. So this is actually the way to find the nth term of a sequence. I hope this video makes sense for everyone. I will come back with more complicated problems. Till that, enjoy the video and don't forget to like and share this video. And if you are not a subscriber, please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.